Hi, I'm Ron, and I found a way to channel my energy and do something positive for the environment. I collect native seeds from prairies, woodlands, savannas, and wetlands, and I clean and process those seeds and get them out to nonprofits to recreate threatened ecosystems. A good example might be the Ice Age Trail. They have 1,500 miles that they'd like to put in, and that's a lot of land to manage. They want seeds that are going to fight back the weeds and invasive species and to create habitat while they're doing it. Prairie is one of the most threatened ecosystems. It's just such a thrill for me to go back 3 to 5 to 10 years later and see a prairie that's now starting to mature a little bit. I get quite a thrill out of that, knowing that I can take this plant that's not very common and get it out to multiple places, so maybe it's not so rare. That kind of stuff really makes it all worthwhile.